What are the steps to constructing an inscribed regular hexagon in a circle? Alright, so I think it's easier to visualize it than to just type out the steps, so let's do that. Let's check it out. So we want to start off with a circle, and we want to mark a point anywhere on the circle, and that's going to be the first vertex. So we're just going to pick a point. Alright, then we're going to set our compass to the radius from that point to the center. And we're going to make an arc on the circle. That's going to be another vertex. And then we're going to put our compass on that new vertex and draw an arc again. And then we'll put our compass on the new vertex, and we're going to keep on going all the way around until we have all 6 vertices. We do not want to change the opening of the compass. We keep it the same. Alright, once you go all the way around, then you are going to use your straight edge to connect those vertices. And that is how you get a hexagon inscribed in a circle.